Come tour Embrey Mill in Stafford with me, a vibrant community located close to shopping, dining, and so much more. In this video, you get to see some professional still pictures, but also some video tours where I take you through the community. Since it's still winter, I opted to provide you some of the pictures from different times of the year, so you get to see it in the summer, fall, and now of course winter. Without further ado, let's get into this video. We are starting at Embrey House. This is really the heart of the community. It's home to the grounds bistro and cafe, where you can just sit and casually have a coffee or something to eat with your friends. It's also home to the fitness center and one of the community pools. The grounds bistro offers events like breakfast with Santa and many more, and it's also just a great hangout to meet your friends or get a quick casual lunch. There are multiple playgrounds and sports fields throughout Embrey Mill. There's also nature trails to walk. I love to take the dog there, and talking about dogs, they also have a great dog park. I brought my dog with me while I was filming this video, and he sure enjoyed it. He would have enjoyed it more socializing with other dogs, but at the time we went there, no one else was in the dog park. But you see, it has an area for larger dogs and smaller dogs, so you can separate them. I am convinced the dogs enjoy it as much, if not more, than the owners. Right next to the dog park is the community garden. The Residents Garden Club plants the garden every year and maintains it throughout the year. Living in Embrey Mill is definitely a different lifestyle. You can be involved in the community, or you can keep to yourself if you wanted to, but you have options to mingle with your neighbors, to be out in the community and enjoy. Embrey Mill is conveniently located just about 5 miles from Quantico Marine Base, and it's also a short drive from the nation's capital, Washington, D.C. You're also very close to many shopping opportunities in Stafford, or you are close to Fredericksburg, or then Woodbridge, and even Tyson's Corner. According to the Embrey Mill website, over half of its residents are former or active military, and of course a lot of folks in the area are military, so it's no surprise. If you currently live in Embrey Mill, let me know if you're in military, active, or retired. If you are living in Embrey Mill, let me also know, what do you like best about Embrey Mill? What is it that made you want to move to Embrey Mill? As my dog makes another appearance in this video, we're getting closer to the end of this Embrey Mill tour with some more shots of the sports field and then some additional still pictures. Embrey Mill really offers something for everyone. It has a wide range of homes, different price ranges as well. There are townhouses, single family homes, homes with rear loading garages, front loading garages. There is even a 55 and older section with single family houses, townhouses, and condominiums there. If you have any questions about Embrey Mill, reach out to me. I am happy to assist. Thanks for watching this video.